We just got dropped off at the trailhead of McAfee Knob, and we're going to have a great 20-mile day. And we've got to cross the road. Here I am at the famous McAfee Knob, where it is probably one of the most photographed places on the Appalachian Trail. And you can see why. It is remarkable. This overlook is beautiful. Adam, give a wave. Here we are on a beautiful day. It looks like someone else is hiking the Appalachian Trail. She's the northbounder, because we're going southbound. Hi, girl. How are you today? It's our third deer that we've seen, and I think she's covered in ticks. Poor thing. Oh. And there she goes. Covered. Oh, the poor thing. Oh, well, God bless her. Hello there. I just wanted to say that doing the hike to McAfee Knob from Springer Mountain is really something else. It just gives you this amazing sense of accomplishment, and McAfee Knob is kind of one of those rites of passage, I guess, for a thru hiker. It's gorgeous. It's very well known. And honestly, I'm like walking on a cloud right now because that was really special. And not only am I walking on a cloud because of that, but my new boots rock. I love them. They were really needed. So we're having a good day. And we're going to bust out the next 15 or so miles and take a rest day tomorrow because, well, we haven't done it in 2 weeks, so it's time. Hey there, we just got to Tinker Cliffs, and it's another amazing view. And you could see weather. It's been thundering all around us. We haven't gotten wet yet, though. We're hoping to skirt it, but Tinker Cliffs is the third in the Triple Crown of Virginia. The Virginia Triple Crown is Dragon's Tooth, which we did yesterday, McAfee Knob, and now Tinker Cliffs. So they do go down. I'm not quite to the edge, but it's pretty high up here, and it is beautiful. And it is pretty cool to see the weather and how that valley is kind of escaping it, but it's hanging on that ridge, which I'm sure is what we're about to go on. Oh yeah, that's where we're headed.
Really cool valley though.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see if we get wet or not, but that's okay. We have a room to go back to and 3 Little Pigs barbecue. Oh yeah. Okay, that was me tripping. Okay, if you've never seen rain coming in, and we are going to be in a thundercloud up here. We just saw lightning. It is kind of scary. And there's the rain and the cloud right next to us. And of course we're on Tinker Cliffs. The trail goes on the cliffs, Adam. No? Yeah, he's scared. I'm a little nervous, I have to admit, because there's no really shelter here. We are about to go down and a little bit, I think, away, but right now it's kind of spooky. And there's, you hear that? There's the thunder. Well, we still have 11 miles to go. This is crazy. Crazy fun. I'm sure everything will work out. Okay, I just took video and I turned off my camera. Moments after that, the downpour started. A huge clap of thunder and lightning struck easily 100 feet from where we were. It was so loud and so scary. We found, right now we're under this ledge and it is pouring rain. There's the trail that we just came from. And it's pouring rain on us. Hear that? And we have like 10 miles of hiking to do. So we're hoping it's going to be one of these storms that kind of goes through and then we can continue hiking. Because right now, exactly. Right now it's kind of scary. All right, wish us luck. Hey everyone. Well, that rain was something else. It was scary. So we got rained on twice. It cleared and then it came down again, not as violently, but we did see a little box turtle and he was cute, and we saw some deer today and more little lizards. They're so cute. It's now very sunny and hot, so we have 3.5 miles to go in a 20-mile day, and then we get to shower, get cleaned up, and eat, and I'm gonna do laundry tomorrow because I think it's time. So, with the exception of that rain, man, whoo-hoo, that was crazy. And that lightning, oh my gosh, was that scary. Anyway, have a good one.